Welcome back. Let's celebrate the spirit of Ramadan through the art of cooking. From mouth-watering iftar delights to delightful suhoor dishes, our chef will be your ultimate guide to creating memorable meals that bring families together during this sacred month. So grab your apron and get ready to embark on a culinary journey like no other.
Ramadan Kareem to you and your family. This is Chef Tarun. This festive season is all about to reconnect with our spirituality, spend time with our loved ones, and indulge in festive delicacies. If you're looking for some cool Ramadan recipes for iftar and suhoor, I'm here to help. Today's recipe is going to all about protein pancakes. You don't need to scare about the word protein. This recipe is going to be super healthy and super fun, and I've got amazing ingredients on the table. So let's check out the ingredient. So we have za'atar powder, fresh pomegranate, fresh coriander, eggs, we have fresh local cherry tomatoes, labne, skimmed milk, handful of fresh spinach leaves, and all-purpose flour. So let's start preparing the recipe. We will take blender. We are going to make pancake batter into a blender. Super easy, super fun. I'm gonna start with egg, a single egg. There we go. I'm gonna take all-purpose flour, about 1 cup. Please remember this, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour. Skimmed milk, room temperature. The protein part, handful of spinach leaves. Actually, I'll put it all. I just love spinach. Black pepper. Some salt for the seasoning. So let's blend it. So our protein pancake batter is ready. Smells good. Now we will work on our toppings. So I have fresh labne, I have za'atar, I have some pomegranate here, coriander. So what I'm going to do is I will take about 2 teaspoons of labne, about 1 full teaspoon of za'atar, or let's make it a little more, and we are going to mix it up. So this will be your za'atar labne. Always remember, za'atar has some amount of salt in it, so you don't need to add any salt. Plus our batter has also some seasoning in it, so you can literally avoid any salt in this. Keep mixing it until it becomes super smooth. So you can see the za'atar is fully blended and it has become like a more of a spread. So this is ready, and now we will cook our pancakes. So we'll start with non-stick pan. We'll take olive oil, about 2 teaspoons. Make sure you swirl it all around so that oil reaches to every corner of the pan. There we have our batter. It's super easy, you don't have to do anything. You can simply pour the batter from the jar itself, and we'll wait for the oil to have a little bit of smoke. I think the smoke is here, and now we will gently pour the batter into the pan. And make sure you swirl it all around the pan. Look at the beautiful color. this stage, we have to start flipping it till our pancake is getting cooked. We are going to slice some cherry tomato. I'm going to cut them into half, and then I'm going to cut them into quarters. This will add a nice color and freshness to the pancake. So I've taken about 3 cherry tomatoes. I have fresh coriander, I have pomegranate, and I have zaatar labne. Almost 3 minutes on each side and it's done. So our pancake is almost ready. It's time to do the plating. And I'm gonna spread some zaatar labne. The zaatar labne is so good, you can have it with anything, with your toast, with your parathas. Just spread it all around. Beautiful. Now I've got some cherry tomatoes. Fresh coriander. And a sprinkle of zaatar powder. So our protein pancake is ready to serve, and let's pair it with a drink. Since many of us are fasting during Ramadan, it is very important to fuel up our energy. So I've got BEET Booster on the table today. It is very easy, super creative recipe. It's just 4 ingredients. So let's check out. So we have apples, cut beetroot, cut carrots, cut ginger, and my companion in the kitchen today, fruit juicer. So we'll begin with cutting some apples. Please remove stem and the seeds. I'm using about 3 apples with the skin. So I've got about 3 apples. I'm gonna take half beetroot, 1 full carrot, and about 4 chunks of fresh ginger for my juice. So let's begin blending. So we will start with apples. So we're going to stir our juice. In today's recipe, I'm not using any sugar. In fact, I'm not using any honey as well. I want my sugar from carrots and apples. So this is what I'm going to achieve it. Full of vitamin C. Your BEET Booster is ready. So we have this plate of protein pancake. Along with we have BEET Booster. For the protein pancake, spinach was my star ingredient, and to cover it with that, we have got labne and zaatar, a beautiful combination made in heaven. I'm sure you will love this recipe. Do try this out and let us know how do you feel about it. We will come back next week with another exciting episode. Till then, Ramadan Kareem to you and your family.